With an increase in social media popularity, the language of the internet has altered significantly. Hashtags are an essential element of this growth. What was once a telephone button has evolved into a social media sensation. Effective hashtag use can assist any brand or business in communicating, building a trustworthy community, increasing awareness, and promoting services for free. Nowadays, you can navigate through any social media platform without seeing hashtags. Undoubtedly, hashtags have revolutionized how we use social media. Whether you're looking for a trendy topic, categorizing postings, or following up on a marketing action. Unfortunately, despite being there for a while, most of us have not recognized this social media tool's potential. So today in this video, I am going to provide you with 5 effective suggestions on using hashtags in social media. Before I proceed further, I would like you to subscribe to propelguru YouTube channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. So let's understand what are hashtags. Hashtags are a type of information that social media algorithms use to identify and provide relevant materials to users. In other words, hashtags function in the same way as keywords and SEO do on Google. As a result, you can increase traffic to your page and improve engagement with your audience by researching and implementing the proper hashtags for your branding goals. Since hashtags are so widespread, they can be used in various ways and on a variety of platforms. Strategies can include creating your own branded hashtags to encourage your audience to post user-generated content or capitalizing on trendy hashtags to create popular content. Thus, some of the benefits of employing hashtags are relevancy, branding, content discovery, and tracking. But how do you obtain these advantages? The first way is to leverage trends wisely. Including a trendy hashtag in your content or post will help you reach a much wider audience. Your updates can be seen by many more people than simply your fans and followers. A trending hashtag is also an excellent strategy to improve a brand visibility. Before including a hashtag in a social media post, make sure it adds value to the existing dialogue. If your post adds no value, it will likely be disregarded and lost in a pool of posts. Secondly, you must always keep your hashtags short and precise. When selecting a hashtag, make sure it is something people are looking for and can easily remember. There are numerous hashtags dispersed throughout the social media landscape. Using a hashtag that is long or not so easy to pronounce is unlikely to yield positive results. But a never used or generic hashtag will not yield the desired result. Your hashtag should be short, accurate, and easy to remember. It should provide your viewers with a clear understanding of the topic. Another important strategy is to avoid overuse of hashtags. Hashtags have the ability to increase your brand's exposure, allowing you to reach a larger audience with your good. So if you use it numerous times on other platforms, people will remember your hashtag. However, each social media network has its appropriate hashtag frequency, and crossing it may lower interaction. Next, it is necessary to search the hashtag before use. With the help of relevant social media tools, check that your hashtag is not being misused. When hashtags are used effectively, they help generate online engagement, raise brand awareness, and ultimately contribute to a rise in sales. So when deciding on the ideal hashtag, keep in mind your target audience. Lastly, don't forget to create brand engagement. Hashtags have the incredible capacity to tie your business with a wide range of well-known and highly visible issues. The appropriate hashtags will bring new visitors to your social media and allow you to interact with them. When hashtags are used accurately, they can help you reach out to targeted users and improve customer relations. So before posting, research suitable hashtags to utilize in conjunction with high quality content. When used correctly, hashtags can help you improve your social media connections and promote your content and campaigns more effectively. Now that you've got the know-how of hashtags, don't put off testing and measuring your hashtags used in your social strategy any longer. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with propelguru's YouTube channel for more such informative content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.